whitetail deer, Osceola turkey, beautiful land with scattered oak hammocks. These are some of the features of this 880-acre Florida ranch, located just minutes away from the revitalized and historic city of Punta Gorda. With a short commute, one can experience some of the best saltwater fishing located in the Gulf of Mexico. Fort Ogden Ranch is easily accessible to U.S. Highway 17 and I-75 at exit 164, just 15 miles from the ranch. In addition to the hunting and recreational uses this property offers, Fort Ogden Ranch, located in southwest Florida, also features improved pastures and is ideal for a cattle ranch. Potential income possibilities also include Bahia sod and Jiggs Bermuda hay. Comprised of 490 acres of uplands and 390 acres of wetlands, this ranch has water holes for cattle and wet prairies with marshes. For more information, please visit sreland.com/Fort Ogden Ranch.